Are you looking to dip your toes in K dramas or you already a die-hard fan of K dramas? This video is just for you, as here are 21 best Korean dramas streaming on Netflix right now. And they are so addictive, then don't say we didn't warn you. If you want these type of more videos to fulfill your urge for Korean dramas, don't forget to subscribe the channel. It's okay to not be okay. In this fairy tale, a health worker with a tragic past meets a children's book author with a personality disorder. This is termed to be the best international shows of 2020. Sweet Home. This is a Korean horror series. Those who love the zombie genre will get hooked to this show. Vagabond. Sorry in advance, but once you start the series, you'll be binging it all night long. That's how addicting this Korean drama is. Then Crash Landing on You, one of the newest Korean dramas that garner tons of views in Korea. Crash Landing on You features actors from Parasite. It's a dramatic love story. The series tells the tale of a South Korean heiress to a large conglomerate who, while paragliding, accidentally crash lands in North Korea. Rookie historian Gu Hae Ryung. To the Little Women fans, you will want to give this Korean drama series a shot. When the camellia blooms, Korean media has dubbed the star actress in this series Gong Hyo Jin the queen of romantic comedies, so you know it's going to be good. Chief of Staff, addicted to these dramatic political TV shows like The West Wing or House of Cards, Chief of Staff will hit the spot. Kingdom. This K-drama was the first Netflix original Korean dramas to stream on the platform, and it has garnered positive reviews. Kingdom doesn't fit neatly onto one genre, fusing political royals as well as supernatural themes into a thrilling TV series. Romance is a bonus book. Based on the hit US TV series Younger, this Korean drama follows a young and gifted top editor at a publishing company who finds his life entangled with a former copywriter who desperately wants a job. Mr. Sunshine, contrary to its name, don't be expecting sunny days ahead in this Netflix original series that tells the story of Korea's Joseon dynasty era. Memories of the Alhambra. Fans of sci-fi, this is for you, telling the story of an augmented reality video game developer who creates an addictive alternate reality where gamers can put on a special high-tech lens to find weapon and battle in the real world. Stranger, starring one of Korea's leading actresses, Bae Doona as a passionate and fearless detective. Stranger found critical acclaim with the New York Times, which listed the drama series as one of the best TV shows of 2017. Because this is my first life, bittersweet might be the best way to describe this romantic, funny, but also somber series that follows two roommates in their 30s who become housemates. Signal. Can't get enough of crime and detective shows? Signal is meant for you. Based in part on a real-life serial killer in Korea, the series revolves around a mysterious walkie-talkie that allows a detective from 1986 to communicate with a modern-day criminal. Cheese in the Trap. Depending on how you look at it, Cheese in the Trap is either a psychological drama or a romance, perhaps both. The K2. Get ready for some serious action in K2. A fugitive gets hired as a bodyguard for the wife of a presidential candidate in this head-spinning political thriller that will take you far down a road of revenge, loose morals, and betrayal. Reply 1988. Feeling nostalgic for the 80s? The third installment in the Reply series, Reply 1988, is an ultimate fan favorite, commanding the second highest viewership in Korean cable television. Oh My Ghost! Food, ghost, and love. What could be better? A light-hearted rom-com, the series is about an assistant chef who gets possessed by a virgin ghost who's determined to make up for her lack of romance by pursuing as many men as possible. Miss Sang, following the lives of a group of co-workers in their 20s who work at the same large corporation, this TV series was an instant hit and drew an explosive response when it aired. Inheritors. If you liked watching Gossip Girl, this is going to be your next guilty pleasure. Set in a high school full of teenagers from overpriced rich families, the series follows them as they navigate the responsibilities involved with eventually taking over their family businesses, cope with romance that's crossed social caste. Boys over flowers. It's F4's world and we're all just living in it. At least it is in Boys Over Flowers, a fan favorite Korean drama series that was first released over a decade ago. F4, the name of a clique of the most popular, wealthiest boys at a private high school, take an interest in a new girl. So these were some of the recommendations on Netflix of Korean dramas which you should really watch in 2021. So do subscribe to the channel if you like the video and please give the video a big like. Thank you.